one, this doesn't have a crazy tacky layer at all, but if you do, make sure you remove the tacky layer first before you place them, otherwise keep sliding off for you. Do it that one. Why I couldn't do it, because my tweezer, it wasn't that. The pink one, I think the tip of it's got something with that. There you go. Absolutely, this one, if it's any of you are like so good with painting, is a bless, you know, if you get this one. And then I think one of my friends really did this one and pulled this off really well. And but if not, this is something for beginner. You can using this, okay, so either you can using that and have it all completely, or you can using your as shiny sky. Either way, if you want to stay in the black and white mood like this, and you can just keep this one. Rip off, because I pull one hand and then hold one hand. So I'm gonna hold both of the hand and pull it off. I'm doing it slow so they can see it. It's so simple, quick, easy to achieve this. Great. That's it. Super cute. You can able to check it out later today. After live videos will be available for you. I'm gonna give it. And now I am, if you don't want to do anything else at all, you just need to this have a little bit, you feel that it's really nice. If you put just a top coat on, it's great, but sometimes it's not gonna hold really well. But then if you are encapsulating what exactly I sharing with you, it will, I'm using right now is condensed glue gels, because I am going to apply some crystals on it. Just a really simple, smaller crystals. Blend it like nicely, because if you're first time using our condensed glue gel, it's really thick density, and don't hesitate to just blend it nicely, and it will really do a really great work for you. So no wipe top coat on the top, the no wipe, and condensed glue gels, unclear condensed glue gel will help to grab the base of crystals, which is this. In this one, I don't need to use the big ones. I am going to just using a smaller, some of the smaller right here. And floating on the top, this one will be completely done after week here. Great. I am going to pick just smaller I think if you want a bigger one, it's totally fine as well. Makes it a little star. Or if you don't want anything, it looks great as well. It's up to you and your clients. So clients want a simple design like this, but then they want something get a little bit bling on. That's cute. Okay, now we're gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Thank you, Sarisa. Put the star glitter to it. Oh, this one? You mean the star glitter, this one? Thank you, Maya. Thank you, Keja. Thank you, Foxy. It's just simple. This is something is really cute, simple for beginners. We try to go alternative between to always support all our professional and also beginners. Can see that so many different way we can do this with. It's a sticker, but if you do something cool, fun with this. And then one of the things I really want to do is really cool. This one, that is animal prints foil. Besides, you see me doing a peacock tails right here, but I really want to do this one for tomorrow. For the ombre encapsulating with this one. This one is so awesome and nice. I'm gonna do a little bit, see if I need to do precision glue on. Usually with the little one, you don't necessarily to, but I will check because sometimes these cute little ones can catching on the hair and the clothes. I'm just using just a little bit, not even squeeze much because you don't want them to look too overflow on the crystal. Great. I'm gonna cure for